Fox and the Rooster. A short moral story. One day a fox was looking into a farmer's hen coop. He saw a rooster and wanted to have it. He tried to fool the rooster and thought of a plan. He went to the rooster and cried, "Good news, good news!" The rooster asked, "What is that?" The fox answered, "King Lion has declared that no beast may hurt a bird. From now on all shall live united in brotherly friendship." That is good news. And there I see someone coming, with whom we can share the good news. And so, saying, he craned his neck forward and looked after off. "What is it you see?" The rooster replied, "It is only my master's dog that is coming towards us." On hearing about the dog, the fox began to turn away. The rooster said, "Will you not stop and share the news with the dog?" "I would gladly do so. But I fear he may not have heard of King Lion's decree." Moral: cunning often outwits itself. Thank you for watching.